Welcome to our video on 10 great products that will take your travel comfort to the next level. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road trip enthusiast, or an occasional vacationer, these products are designed to make your journeys more enjoyable, relaxing, and stress-free. Let's dive into the list. Number 1, the Turtle Travel Pillow. Unlike bulky neck pillows, the Turtle is lightweight and scientifically designed to support your neck. It wraps around like a scarf with an internal structure that keeps your head in a comfortable position. It's machine washable, packs flat, and weighs just 4.5 ounces, making it a must-have for long flights or bus rides. Users love how it prevents neck strain, and it's available in multiple colors to suit your style. Number 2, Bose Quiet Comfort 45 noise-canceling headphones. These headphones are a game-changer for travelers. With best-in-class noise cancellation, they block out airplane engines, crying babies, or noisy train cabins. They offer 24 hours of battery life, a comfortable over-ear design, and crisp sound quality. The Aware mode lets you hear announcements without removing them. They come with a compact carrying case, perfect for keeping your bag organized. Number 3, the Anker PowerCore 1000 Portable Charger. This ultra-compact charger is about the size of a candy bar, but packs enough power to charge your phone up to 3 times. Weighing only 6 ounces, it's ideal for day trips or long flights when outlets are scarce. It features fast charging technology and a durable design, ensuring your devices stay powered wherever you go. Number 4, Packing Cubes by Eagle Creek. These organizational wonders keep your suitcase tidy and make unpacking a breeze. Made from lightweight, durable fabric, they come in various sizes to fit clothes, shoes, or toiletries. The compression feature saves space, and the mesh tops let you see what's inside. Travelers rave about how packing cubes streamline their luggage and reduce clutter. Number 5, the Cabot Memory Foam Eye Mask. For restful sleep on planes, trains, or in hotel rooms, this eye mask is a top pick. Its contour design blocks out light without putting pressure on your eyes, and the adjustable strap ensures a snug fit. The memory foam molds to your face for maximum comfort, and it comes with earplugs for added peace. It's a small investment for better rest during travel. Number 6, a collapsible water bottle by Nomader. Staying hydrated is key, but carrying a bulky bottle is inconvenient. This BPA-free silicone bottle holds 22 ounces when full and rolls up when empty, saving space in your bag. It's leak-proof, dishwasher-safe, and has a sturdy grip for easy carrying. Whether you're hiking or navigating airports, it's a practical choice for eco-conscious travelers. Number 7, the Travelon Anti-Theft Crossbody Bag. Safety meets style with this bag, designed to protect your belongings. It features slash-resistant straps, locking zippers, and RFID blocking pockets to deter pickpockets. The spacious interior holds essentials like your phone, passport, and wallet, while the sleek design looks great for both city tours and casual outings. Travelers appreciate the peace of mind it offers. Number 8, the J-Pillow Travel Cushion. This uniquely shaped pillow supports your head, neck, and chin simultaneously, making it ideal for window seat nappers. Its soft, machine-washable cover and compact foldable design make it easy to pack. The J-Pillow is especially great for long-haul flights, as it helps you maintain a natural sleeping position without slumping forward. Number 9, a multi-port USB travel charger by RIV Power. This charger lets you power up to 4 devices at once, perfect for families or gadget-heavy travelers. It's compatible with worldwide voltages, so you only need a plug adapter for international trips. The compact design and smart charging technology ensure fast, safe charging for phones, tablets, or cameras, keeping you connected on the go. Number 10, the Sea to Summit Ultra-Sil Dry Bag. This lightweight, waterproof bag is a lifesaver for outdoor adventures or unexpected rain. Available in sizes from 1 to 13 liters, it keeps electronics, clothes, or documents dry. The roll-top closure is easy to use, and the durable material withstands rugged conditions. It's also great for separating wet items, like swimsuits, from the rest of your luggage. These 10 products are carefully chosen to enhance your travel experience, from better sleep and organization to safety and convenience. Each one is portable, durable, and designed with travelers in mind. Whether you're embarking on a short getaway or a global adventure, these items will help you travel smarter and more comfortably. Thanks for watching, and safe travels!